Omicslogic Transcriptomics for Biomedical Data Analysis is an online training program for students, researchers, and clinicians. I would like to take you through the key highlights of the program that has been designed to equip participants like you with the knowledge and skills to extract meaningful insights from gene expression data. The training program aims to equip participants with both theoretical knowledge and practical skills to extract meaningful insights from gene expression data. Through hands-on sessions using various project datasets, participants will learn about analytical methods and application topics. We have structured the curriculum meticulously, ensuring a seamless progression from the very basics to the advanced topics. One of the major challenges in RNA-seq analysis is related to accurate, reproducible, and effective processing of large-scale datasets that represents gigabytes or even terabytes of data. Such large quantities prevent many to gain practical hands-on feel for RNA-seq. Whether you are a beginner, eager to learn the fundamentals, or an experienced researcher looking to enhance your skills, our program caters all the levels of expertise. All three levels comes with different access types about which you can learn more on the program page. Now let's delve into the details of our curriculum and explore the fascinating topics that awaits you in this transformative training program. To begin with the beginner level, it starts with an introduction to next-generation sequencing and covers the principles behind it and its applications. Participants will learn about the sources for transcriptomic data extraction and gene expression quantification techniques. They will also be introduced to exploratory data analysis techniques and downstream data analysis through differential expression and biological interpretation, and functional analysis through pathway annotation and a range of analytical tools to apply to your own research. By the end of the beginner level, you will have a good understanding of key concepts and techniques used in transcriptomic data analysis. The intermediate level covers techniques such as pathway annotation, network visualization, and regression analysis. Participants will learn about machine learning techniques for unsupervised and supervised analysis of RNA-seq data, including clustering and classification methods. This level of program aims to equip participants with a range of analytical tools to make sense of complex transcriptomic data and interpret their findings effectively. The advanced level covers the use of R and Python programming languages and bioinformatics tools for processing and analyzing RNA-seq data. Participants will learn data import, quality control, normalization, exploratory data analysis, statistical analysis, differential gene expression analysis, pathway annotation, and machine learning techniques using computational languages like R and Python. The training also covers single-cell transcriptomic data analysis and a capstone project which requires a literature review, research proposal, and a presentation. The training aims to equip participants with the necessary knowledge and skills for effective RNA-seq data analysis and result interpretation. The program comes with online mentor-guided training and research experience, mentor and subject matter expert videos, live bioinformatics and technical support, and access to T-Bioinfo platform for hands-on practical experience. It integrates open-source alternatives as well, including popular scientific tools and algorithms to learn the analysis. It also includes practical quizzes and credit assignments, and a certification will be provided upon successful completion. Now that you have seen the incredible value our training program offers, I encourage you to take the next step and enroll today. By joining our program, you will gain access to a wealth of knowledge, hands-on tutorials, expert support, and a community of like-minded individuals passionate about transcriptomic data analysis. To enroll, simply visit our program page, where you will find detailed information about the curriculum, levels, and the capstone project. Remember, this training program is designed for all levels, from beginners to advanced learners. So whether you are just starting out or looking to enhance your existing expertise, we have tailored content to meet your needs. So don't miss out on this opportunity to expand your transcriptomic data analysis skills and make significant strides in your research. Enroll today and let's unlock the power of transcriptomic data together.